Hello everyone! We're going to explore the CS Cart OTP verification. It will send the OTP at your phone to verify the customer. And check out with one-time passwords via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So let's start with the installation of this add-on. Go to Add-ons, click Developers, and then click Webkul Software Private Limited. By clicking on the gear icon, we can install the zip file that we downloaded from the CS Cart developer site. I have already installed it, so I won't demonstrate that step. Now let's move on to the configuration. There are two modes available, Live Mode and Test Mode. In this case, we are using Live Mode, so I'm not selecting the Test Mode option. First, we need to provide all the necessary information related to your phone numbers that has been registered to your account. Then, fill in all the WhatsApp credentials and configure the OTP verification settings, such as OTP verification via phone, email, or WhatsApp. Enable OTP during registration, enable login via OTP, enable password reset via OTP, and enable checkout for non-verified users. You can also enable OTP verification for specific payment methods like phone ordering or cash on delivery. Allow the stores, and here we can configure all the settings accordingly. Then click Verify All Customers and click the Save button. Now I'm going to the storefront to demonstrate the login process. This is our storefront, and here I'm going to show you how to log into your account using OTP. Check this Login via OTP icon. Here, you need to enter the email address that you registered along with your phone number. Then click Sign In. Now you can see that the OTP has been sent to my number on WhatsApp. I am entering the OTP now. Then click Verify. Our account has been logged in successfully. Now, I'll show you how to purchase a product using OTP in the payment method. So, proceed to checkout with any item. Then, fill in your information such as address. For this, we first need to log out because we are checking out products without logging into the account. All right, that's done. Now click on Checkout. Here, we need to enter the address, our name, country code, phone number, and email address. Click Phone Ordering, then click Place Order. In this case, we're checking out a product via OTP without logging into an account. So, I'm entering the OTP here and clicking Verify. The OTP has been successfully verified and the order has been placed. This is the functionality of this add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.